Welcome to MyExcelWorld video tutorial number 1. MyExcelWorld Excel Add-in is a business optimization tool. Number operations. Reverse signs of numbers. To change negative numbers to positive and vice versa, go to cells and click on numbers and select reverse signs of numbers. Make all positive. To change negative numbers to positive, go to cells and click on numbers and select change negative numbers to positive. From negative to 0. To change all negative numbers to 0, go to cells and click on numbers and select from negative to 0. Make all negative. To change all positive numbers to negative, go to cells and click on numbers and select change all positive numbers to negative. Bring the negative sign forward. To move negative number sign from right to left, go to cells and click on numbers and select bring the negative sign forward. See you next time for another tutorial.